Hey everyone, welcome back to LevelUP Gamers, where we make game development easy, fun, and beginner friendly. Today, in part 5 of our Tom and Jerry Endless Runner, we're adding something exciting, a score system that tracks how far Jerry runs a simple on-screen UI text that updates in real time. Let's jump into it. Step 1. Create a score manager script in the scripts folder. Right-click, create CTOG script. Name it Score Manager. Double-click and replace everything with this code. Step 2. Set up the UI. Right-click in the hierarchy. UI, Canvas. Right-click on Canvas, Text. Step 3. Connect everything in the inspector. Create an empty game object. Rename it Score Manager. Attach the Score Manager script to it. Update the obstacle script to trigger game over drag. Jerry from the hierarchy into the Jerry field. Drag the score text UI element into the score text field. Drag the score manager object from the hierarchy into the score manager field on the obstacle trigger script. Step 4. Play and test. Hit play. Use a /D keys to move Jerry watch your score go up as Jerry runs forward. Congrats, you now have real-time score tracking clean. Readable UI Jerry running wild with a purpose. And that's it for part 5. You've now built a basic but fun endless runner with movement animation camera, follow obstacles game over logic, and now a live score counter. Next time, we might add mobile controls, parallax background, sounds and music, so smash that like button. If you enjoyed this series, subscribe to LevelUp Gamers and let me know in the comments what game we should build next. Thanks for watching. Now go make something awesome. Blast off.